Let's talk about Energetik Heart. This isn't just another company with a big idea. What we're looking at today is a company delivering a fully de-risked energy revolution, specifically for heavy industry. And trust me, this is an opportunity you're going to want to see.
So what is it exactly? Well, at its heart, the company has created something they call a portable river. It is, literally, the world's first closed-circuit microhydroelectric power plant. The whole system is designed to be installed right on site. We're talking in the backyard of a factory or a mine, giving them complete, reliable energy independence.
Now, for any kind of deep tech investment, the first thing on your mind, the number one question, is always about risk. And Energetik Heart gets that. They address it head on. So right now, we're going to walk through exactly how they have systematically tackled the three biggest hurdles for any investor: technology, market, and of course, scale.
Let's start with the big one, the most fundamental question you could ask. The concept sounds amazing, right? But is it proven? Does this technology actually work?
The answer is a loud and clear yes. This technology is not just a drawing on a whiteboard. It has been validated by real-world mining industry experts at Permian Hub. And even more importantly, a 20-kilowatt pilot plant is already built and running. The entire development was co-financed through 2 competitive government innovation programs in Peru. So bottom line, it's been tested, it's been vetted, and it is proven.
And when it comes to performance, this number is absolutely critical. The system runs with a plant factor of over 90%. So what does that mean for you as an investor? It means stable, predictable, 24/7 power. You know, unlike so many other renewables that struggle with intermittency, this is guaranteed energy, around the clock.
Okay, so the technology is proven. That's a huge box checked. But that brings us right to the next make or break question for any new business. Is anyone actually asking for this? Is there real market demand?
And the answer, once again, is simple, and it's powerful. 5. That's how many signed NDAs, non-disclosure agreements, are already in place with top-tier industrial and mining clients. We're not talking about a wish list. These are major players who are already at the table and ready to deploy.
So why are they lining up? Well, it's because the value proposition is just undeniable. First, a guaranteed 40 to 50% drop in energy costs. That turns a huge expense into a serious competitive edge. Second, total energy autonomy, 24/7 with no more worries about grid failures. And of course, it's 100% renewable and on-site, which is a massive win for their sustainability goals.
So we have proven technology, and we have confirmed market demand. That brings us to the third and final pillar of risk: execution. Can the team actually deliver the solution reliably? And, just as important, can they scale the business without stumbling?
This is where the story gets incredibly compelling. The execution risk? It's been massively reduced thanks to a strategic partnership with OSS Berger. We're talking about a German engineering giant with 150 years of history, with over 12,000 hydro energy installations in 100 countries. An NDA is already signed. This partnership is the industrial backbone that makes scaling not just possible, but predictable.
And that partnership allows for an incredibly smart, low-risk way to scale. See, they aren't taking some massive engineering leap of faith from a small pilot to a giant plant. The whole design is modular. They grow by simply adding standardized, proven 0.2 megawatt units. Think of it like building with Legos, not reinventing the wheel every time. The engineering risk is practically eliminated.
All right, so we've seen how the big risks, technology, market, and scaling have been systematically taken off the table. Now let's pivot and talk about the tangible investment opportunity that's sitting right in front of us.
The ask for this seed round is $1.5 million. It's a clear, confident, and very well-defined target to unlock the company's next critical phase of growth.
And there's a very precise plan for every dollar of that capital. This isn't just money to keep the lights on. It's fuel to hit concrete milestones. Step 1, finalize the detailed engineering. Step 2, build and deploy the very first modules for one of those pioneer clients who's already signed an NDA. And Step 3, secure the final certifications and, this is the big one, turn on the recurring revenue stream.
And to protect all this innovation in your investment, the company has a really robust 2-phase IP strategy. In Phase 1, they're using trade secrets to move fast and serve those first few clients under NDA. Then, in Phase 2, as they get ready for mass deployment, they'll work hand-in-hand with their strategic partner, OSS Berger, to file for international patents. This builds a powerful defensive moat to protect the company's value for years to come.
And here is the team ready to make it all happen.
It's a multidisciplinary family of entrepreneurs. You have Eduardo, the CEO and CTO. He's the innovator who created the technology. Then there's Pierina, the general manager and CDO, who is the strategist driving the growth. And Jacqueline, the COO, is the operator who makes sure everything runs like clockwork.
So the crucial takeaway, the one thing to remember, is this quote that just sums it all up perfectly. We are not in the idea stage, we are in the commercial scaling stage. The proof of concept is done, the pilot is running, and the first customers are literally waiting in line.
And that really leaves us with one final thought. With the core risks of technology, market, and execution all neutralized, the opportunity here is crystal clear. Finance the rollout of a proven solution into a market that's already waiting for it. The question isn't if this will work anymore. The real question for you is, are you ready to power the future of industry?